Hi buddies, back with another video. Today we are working on a text effect by applying motion blur and giving some lightning effect to the text. My name is Ramesh and you're watching Pixoframes. First of all, type your text. We are typing reload. Then right click on the layer and go to blending options. Decrease fill opacity to 0. Then check on the stroke, size 2 pixels, position inside, blend mode normal. Fill type should be gradient. We'll change the colors of the gradient through the stops. Now make a copy of the text layer by pressing Ctrl J. Convert it to Smart Object. Now go to Filter at the top menu bar, then Blur and then Motion Blur. Angle will be 0 and distance will be 800 pixels. Now make a copy of your text copy. Click on the motion blur under Smart Filters and keep the distance 35 pixels. We have to merge these three layers of the text. Hold Shift key, click on the first and third layer. All three layers will be selected. Now convert them to Smart Object and all the layers will be merged. Now go to Filter menu, then Pixelate and then Measure Tint. Change the type to short lines. Double click to edit filter blending options and decrease the opacity to 35%. And that's the final result. If you think this tutorial was helpful, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.